Like me, don't you? Don't you?
Should I be pleased by this? No, I'm here to kill.
Hi.
Hey.
Oops.
Anyways, I came here to kill you.
But I'm too pretty to kill.
You, bitch, broke my nails. Oh. Hey, big dude. The correct term is bag-headed.
How dare you?
Damn it! Can't I talk to one of you for 1 second without you guys going aggro on each other?
What do you expect?
I'm gonna calm down, reel it in. I'm fine. I'm totally. Ooh.
What?